Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to upload videos on YouTube with your mobile. And first of all, make sure that you log into your YouTube account, and after that we tap on the plus icon mid in the bottom. Then from here you can select if you want to upload videos, shorts, going live or post something, but we want to post a video. And if I tap on the video just right here, I can choose the piece that I want to crop or that I want to upload. Now this video was recorded on my phone and is not that long. So right now if I do next, you will see it just right here. We can add some text if you want to, some effects, we can do a voiceover, but for now that's not necessary because I want to show you how to upload a video. So let's do next. Then from here we can add a caption to or short. YouTube is seeing this video as a short because of the size of the video and the length. So from now it's a short. When you have a video or a file on your phone that has other size than the vertical size but the horizontal size, then it will be a video. But for now this is fine. We can check the visibility, location, other related videos. You can all the settings or check all the settings that you want. And right now if I tap on upload short, the video is uploading, and this is exactly how you can upload videos on YouTube. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.